Hello everyone, in today's video, Nadia are going to show you how we remove gel polish with nail drill. This is the first time we show you how we use nail drill. Basically, it's super easy, but technically, you have to be careful when you use one. These nail drills already come up with its beads, and we use this one called sanding band to drill the surface of the nail until the top coats and the third layer of the polishes drill thinner. This sanding band is good for taking off acrylics, removing decorations, and to shape nails. Now, when using nail drill, you have to be very careful and very gentle. You have to use it exactly on top of the nail polishes and stay away from the skin. You know, it's gonna hurt. Also, we prefer not to drill all over because we don't want the drill to touch the nail and accidentally drill it thin. Meanwhile, if we leave the rest of the polish, we can later wrap the nails with acceton. To do this, take a small ball of cotton and soak it off with acceton. Put it directly on top of the excess polish and use a small piece of foil to keep it in place. Let it cook for 5 minutes or longer if needed. Alright, next we are going to use cuticle pusher. This tool have a lot of variety, and the one we have is the one with spoon edge and pointy head. To shove the excess of the polish, we use the spoon edge type. Unwrap the foils. Take the cotton off and start shoving the excess polish. Do it very gently and don't force the excess foils. If it's too hard, wrap again the cotton with acceton on top of the polish, let it sit for a few minutes and start shoving again. Alright, after you do each nail, brush off the excess and then we are ready for part 2, doing the pedicure.